Hi and hello and welcome to the Why I Moved to Florida channel. My name is Christopher Beverly and I'm here to turn your dreams into keys. Today we're in wonderful Sanford, Florida. If you don't know where that is, we're about 30 minutes north of Orlando, 45 minutes away from the Disney, Universal, SeaWorld, all the fun theme parks. One thing I love about this townhouse that's behind me is we're footsteps away from downtown Sanford, which has all the fun shops, all the bars, all the restaurants, the cafes, all the things to do here. So let's go check it out. It's priced at $450,000. It's a brand new townhome, 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, and it can be purchased with no down payment. Let's go check it out. You got wood floors throughout the whole home. This first level is all your living spaces. Your kitchen, your dining room, quartz countertops. There'll be a fridge here included, stainless steel appliances, slow close cabinet, dishwasher, big sink. This is pretty much the living spaces. This is your living quarters. All the bedrooms are upstairs. You have a nice hall closet, another closet as well. Plenty of storage in this townhome, but you don't always see. We have a half bath right here as well. Nice half bath. Even more storage as well underneath the stairwell. This can be your nice stowaways, your vacuum cleaners, your things that you want out the way essentially. Nice garage. Pretty spacious garage for a townhome. Definitely can fit 2 cars. I'm 6'3", the ceilings are pretty tall too. You can do storage up top as well. Let's go check out the other, well, I guess all the bedrooms that are upstairs. One thing I like about this, you're really close to all the action. We're footsteps away from Henry's Depot, which is a food diner. It has tons of restaurants, it has a bar. Now we have the primary suite, which we'll go to first. Talk about natural light. Gets a lot of natural light right now. A nice barnyard door leading to your retreat, your primary bathroom, dual vanities, quartz countertops, and a shower glass enclosure, keeping all the moisture inside. I'm 6'3" for scale, plenty of room. Probably can have 2 people in here if that's your thing. Nice water closet, and of course, the master bedroom closet. Plenty of space. You also have a nice hallway closet here. Store your linens. Next, let's check out the office. This can either be an office or a nursery. Plenty of space. If you have a newborn, nice nursery. If not, this is where you can be getting your work done. Computer editing, whatever you do for a living, right off of your primary suite. Now let's go check out the other full bath, which is right here. Sorry, I'm getting used to this layout here. Now it does have a tub too, so if you have a newborn and you would like to do a nice tub, it does have a tub in this townhome. Now both of the bedrooms here, siblings, or it could be relatives, they're all a decent size as well. All get pretty good natural light, and they're equal size too, so none of your siblings will be fighting over which room, because they're pretty much the same size. All have closets, of course. This is your laundry room. And of course, if you're looking to buy a townhome just like this one, there's several available that I can help you. And of course, you can get into this with no down payment. My friends over at South State Bank got you covered. Just need to have a 640 credit score, be at your job for at least 2 years in the same industry essentially. I'll leave all the details in the description below. And of course, if you need a buyer's consultation, feel free to reach out to me as I hold them for free. With my contact information below, I'll see you on the next video.